Murals Your Way has been custom printing murals for over 40 years. We pride ourselves on offering the largest selection of high-quality murals, providing helpful customer service, and letting our customers pick the exact size and ideal material for their unique space. With Murals Your Way, you can be assured that you're making the right choice for custom wall decor for any home or business.
Dedicated account managers. Our professional and experienced account managers provide one-on-one service and can help you with your project, from initial concept to choosing an image and picking the right material. Family owned and operated. Murals Your Way has been transforming spaces for over 40 years and has been family owned and operated since 1992. Top-notch design service. Want to modify or add something special to your mural? Give it a logo? Change the color? No problem. Our talented design team offers a variety of creative services to help you create a wall mural that matches your tastes and personality. All of our materials are high-grade commercial quality, fire-rated, and made to last. Huge image selection. Our curated galleries offer thousands of images to choose from in a variety of styles. Don't see what you like? We can assist in sourcing an image to ensure you have just the right image for your project. Free shipping. We provide free shipping to the contiguous 48 United States with FedEx Ground. If you are still wondering if Murals Your Way is the best option for your project, give our sales team a call or send us an email. We would love to help. Your satisfaction is our #1 goal.